Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Modera St. Paul, in Dallas, Texas. These are all new and just opened up. We're looking at their one bedroom, so let's take a look at this. It's really cute. So it's really attractive, very pretty. This is a high rise, so it has a little bit of high rise feel, but man, look at this beautiful wood that's here with this gorgeous living room and kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful. I love the wood, the really, really strong wood look that's here. It's very, very nice. I also love just the appliances are here. Love the light, very well lighted. It looks great. I love this island. Now this is a really cool island actually. It's a movable island, but it's really cool. It works really well for this. I love the open shelves that are here. This is really cool. The fridge is awesome. That's a great fridge. And then, man, it's a good look and feel in here. This is a really nice living room. It feels great. It feels very high rise. And then you've got this beam. So this beam is kind of, just keeps that kind of loft feel. It's really the only thing that is giving me any kind of loft at all. This just feels modern, crisp, and bright and light. There is also a really pretty little balcony that's out there. The balcony is pretty cool. And you've got just a really, really nice bathroom. We're about to see that bathroom and bedroom in just a minute. Hey, this is the first part of our tour. We're gonna take a second part. And actually, you know what, before we do that, let's walk out. I just always like to show off this balcony when I can. And hey, it's really cool. So this is what the balcony looks like. Looks like you could put about 2 chairs in here, and then here is what it looks like here as your view. So you're in the heart of downtown Dallas. It's a really cool look and feel. Okay, so if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or you're ready to take a tour, a personalized tour, send me a text. We can set up a virtual tour or a live tour anytime, even same day. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you, and now let's do part 2.